Today we are gonna replace a faulty license plate bulb of Nissan Qashqai. To take out the bulb placeholder, you can use a flattened screwdriver and you can push it a bit from the edges and it will pop out. Also, you can find the bulb in local stores, auto shops. It's a normal 12 volt bulb. You have to twist the holder, then the bulb holder comes out, replace the bulb, set it back, twist it back and put it in the place. When you put back the bulb holder with the casing, then make sure that you are putting first the cable end one, and the other end you have to simply push it up and it will hold it from the holder itself. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, hit the subscribe and leave your comments below. Thank you very much.